Okay, so today's lesson is about uh, FHA loans and actually doing the math regarding FHA loans and checking out what my down payment is going to be. All right. So if you notice, if you go under FHA next time, huh? We're going to look at houses. So we're going to pick one example. All right, a house. So let's pick a house. And which one? Let's pick this one. It says hot. All right. So right here, 630,000. Is this the one? Hot home. See? So let's see. Let's look at it. If it will qualify as part of FHA. 630. Oh, nice, nice view. It has a pool. Look at that. Okay, all right. Let's see the house. All right, cool. It's very nice. It's cool. Oh, look at that. Ooh, nice kitchen. All right. All right, that's pretty nice. See that? It's pretty good, right? Oh, it has probably for the dogs or for the children right there. All right. I mean, obviously, it's not going to come with all the furniture. Oh, wow, nice little den here. Well, that's pretty good. I like that. I like that. Okay. So there you go. Bam. All right. So this is a home. And then we'll see. And then look, it's a okay, single family dwelling right there. You see that? Single family dwelling. Bam. Look at that right there. You guys see that? All right. So now we're going to use this and we're going to find the conventional 629. Let's just say 630. All right. So let's go ahead and in Montebello, 120 North 20. So Montebello. Okay. So let's go ahead and do the math. All right. So make sure you have these because this is going to be worth 150 points. Okay. So let's see. This from the other class. So here we go. So we said Montebello, right? So make sure you have your calculators, all that stuff. So we said Montebello. Okay. So we'll pick the Montebello house. All right. This is number one. Okay. Yeah, write this down because this is going to help you next week. All right. So I'm reviewing everything for you guys. And then so what we're going to do is how much was it? 630,000, right? Oh no, it was 629,900. 629,900. So write this down. Okay. 629,900. All right. So now what you're going to do is you're going to say, all right, conventional loan. What's my down payment for the conventional loan? Remember, we said it's 20%. Okay. So go ahead and write this down. Okay. 20% Montebello. Okay. So again, 20% of 629,900. Okay. Got it? So far, so good? All right. So now, so how do you do that? How do you do the math? Well, remember what we did is we said, oh, 20, I have to put 20 over 100. And then let me go get my calculator. When you do 20 over 100, what do you get? What do you guys get? Okay, 20 over 100. So if you look at it, that's 0.20 or 0.20 times 629,900. Okay, so go ahead and multiply and see what you get. Okay, Go ahead and multiply, please, guys. We're not doing much work. We're just doing the math. It's not a lot of work. We're only doing 3 problems, and then we're done. Okay? So zero point 0.2 times 629,900. Anybody? What did you guys get? This is, again, your down payment.
125,980.
Yes, that's what I got too. Down payment. See how easy it is? 125,980. That's your down payment. It's going to take you a lot of time, unless you win the lottery, to get that. Okay? So there's your down payment. Okay? Now, what we're going to do now, let's look at the conventional loan. All right? I mean, we already did that. Now you're going to do the FHA loan. Okay? We're going to compare it. So now let's do FHA loan. All right? FHA loan. So remember, how much is that? 3.5% of 629,900. Go ahead and do it, I tell you. So the same thing. If you look at both sides, what do? It's a percent, so I have to what? I have to divide by 100, right? Yes. So 3.5. But mister, it already has a decimal. Yeah, but it's a percent. It's 3.5%. So we're going to divide by 100. And what do we get? Look at your calculator. Go ahead. That's all we're doing, guys.
Can you go back up?
Hey, who's honking? Who's honking?
Sir, can you go back up a little bit?
Oh, where?
To the first, the first line that says Montebello.
Oh, it just says Montebello in this amount.
Yeah.
That's it.
I wrote down the wrong number.
Oh, man. And it's right here, too. If you look at it, it's right here. We're using the same number. Okay? So it's right here. If you look at it, it's right here. Bam. Okay?
Sir, I didn't know.
That's all right. So 3.5 divided by 100, what do you get? Denise, what do you get? 3.5 divided by 100. What do you get in your calculator? Denise or Emerson? Emerson?
0.7. Wait, what? You said that by 100?
Yeah.
0.035.
Very good. So we don't need that zero in the beginning. So
Okay.
0.035. And remember, of is always multiply. And then now go ahead and multiply. Go ahead and multiply it, and then you're done. See how easy it is? Times 629,900. So what do we get? Let's see. Jason, what do you get? What's your answer when you multiply?
43.5.
Okay, so very good. Thank you. 22,000. Emerson, I think you just turned something in. 46.5. That's all good. 0.5. Remember, you're gonna add a zero, so it's 50. You see that? It's 50 and 50 cents. Again, that is your down payment. Look at that. Right? What's easier, the 22,000 or the 125,000? The 22,000, right? Like you could have 15,000 in your bank, and then you could get a gift from your family, right? And then you give it back or whatever. But remember, the only problem with FHA is that you have to pay the PMI, the property mortgage insurance. All right, that's the only bad thing, is you got to pay the insurance every month until, and we'll tell you, until you get 20%, and we'll calculate that. All right, I'll let you know how to do that. Okay, until you get 20%, until you pay them 20%. All right. So there's number one. Pretty easy? Pretty easy, right? All right. So there you go. Bye-bye, number one. So let's go ahead and do number two. Remember, this is on the video, so you could go back if you want. If you're asleep, like some people. I don't know who, but okay. So let's do another city. Can someone pick another city? Pick another city. Whittier. All right. So now remember, FHA is good for duplexes and triplexes and fourplex, right? The multi-unit. So let's look for that. So I'm going to look at Redfin, and I'm going to go to filter right here, and I'm going to click on multifamily. Okay. Remember, multifamily includes the apartment. We don't want apartments. All right. So let's pick at that. All right. So here we go. So let's pick the multifamily. Let's pick over here 610,000. Let's see what that is. Okay. This house. Let's see what it is. Is it a duplex? Let's see. Oh, look. Price to sell, rare find. Two houses on a lot. What is that? Two houses.
They're selling two houses.
Yeah. No, yeah, there's two houses in the lot. So it's a duplex, right? So let's look at it. There's your one house, right? Nice yard. Ooh, probably needs a little fixing up. Nah, that's okay, that's doable. Uh, Maybe needs to be modernized. Yeah, that's okay. There it is. And then there's your second house in the back. See that? There's your with all the trash can. Ooh, yeah, I would do a nice little yard, make it nice. See, so this is two houses. All right. So you could live in one and rent the other one, right? So let's go ahead and do this one. Okay. So it's 610,000. All right. So let's go ahead and do that one. All right. 610,000. So this is Whittier. Okay. Whittier. Now, if I ask for the MLS number, right here, it's actually pretty easy because, here's all the information. Here's the lot size. See that? Here's the year built. Here's the Redfin estimate. Here's your MLS number. Now, it even tells you how long it's been on the website. Nobody has bought this property. Look, it's been there for 50 days, right? So you see that? And it tells you kind of where it is. See, it's over here by Broadway. Where is it? Longfellow Christian. Yeah, it's down Broadway over here. All right, cool. All right, so let's do the work. How much was it? Did I write it down? Yeah, huh? No, I didn't. Darn. How much was it, guys? You guys remember? 600 and what? 10,000. 610,000. All right, let's do this. Okay. So remember, if you're listening to it, you could stop at any time, whenever. So 610,000. Okay. So now we're gonna do what's called the conventional. Okay. Conventional loan. Now I could write faster because I know how to do this. Conventional. You can't see it, huh? Conventional loan. How you doing, Carlos? Are you good? Am I going too fast? All right, cool. So conventional loan is how much? Again, up to 20%, maybe 18, sometimes, but we're just going to use 20%. All right, 20% of 610,000. There's a scam. Someone's calling me. It says scam likely. I'm not going to answer this. So 610,000. So what do we do? Let's see. Jade, what do we do with the percent? What do I have to do? Now, hold on. If yeah, I'm sorry. Go ahead.
You put it at 0.20
Why? How do we get 0.20? Because what did I do?
because you divide it by 100.
Very good. 20 over 100, which is 0.20 of is times 610,000. Go ahead and do the calculation. So go ahead. Let me see. Samantha, what did you get? Did you get a number? What's going to be the down payment?
172,000.
Very good. That's what I got. 120. See how easy it is? Mister, this is easy. I know, but some kids still won't do it. Oh, so easy. Okay, very easy. Down payment. That's going to be your down payment for the conventional loan. All right, now we're going to do the FHA loan. Same amount. Okay, FHA loan. All right. So then what is it? 3 point what? 3.5%. Okay. Of the same amount. 610,000. Okay. So 3.5 divided by 100, and then the same, we can use the same from the last problem, which is 0.035. Remember, of is times 610,000. All right. So what is that? Let me see. Let's see. Fernando, what did you get? Anybody? Anybody? Fernando, what did you get?
No, Miss John, doing it right now.
Okay.
Sir, can I say it or no?
Yeah, go ahead.
I probably got it wrong, but I got 21,350.
You probably got it right.
Oh, sick.
That's what I got as well. So you see how under FHA it's smaller because the whole purpose of FHA since 1934 is to get people to own homes. So under the FHA, you can afford that 21,000. Ideally, you want to pay the conventional loan, right? So you don't have to pay the PMI, the property mortgage insurance. You don't want to pay that because not only are you paying the interest, you're also paying a little bit more for the insurance. In the conventional loan, you're only paying the interest. You're not paying that little insurance because they already got 20%. Once the 3.5% is 20%, you already paid 20%, and I'll show you how to do that. Then you could go from FHA to conventional, bring down the interest, right? So that's the thing. Do you think a mortgage company wants to make you change? No, they want that extra money. They want that. Like I try calling my company and say, hey, I want to, and they never call me back because they want you to stay on the FHA loan. And I never knew about this. I was like, wait, I could do this? And then once I found out and started learning more about it, they're like, I see why they don't call me. They don't call me because they want to get paid that extra money. People are just so rude. Not rude, but so like greedy, right? All right, so that's it. I'm gonna stop the video. All right, I'm gonna stop the video now.
We're done with no.
Yeah, that was it. That's all I wanted to do.